Justin. Thank you so much for meeting with us today. Would you be able to tell us a bit about Spark EV technology and how the company was founded, and just a bit about what you do?
Sure. So when we launched the company back in 2017 now, I'd been driving and working with EVs for a little over 5 years. I started to see the problem of how when you get into the vehicle and you see the range displayed on the display, how erratic that estimation was within the vehicle. You could travel 10 miles and see the range drop by 20 miles and even finish your journey with a higher range than you started. So I began to reverse engineer EVs to understand how they calculated energy and how using live data and machine learning could improve the prediction accuracy for a journey, creating this personalized energy prediction. Having built a simple version of the product very early on and filing an initial patent, I went back to the Judge Business School at Cambridge, where I had some mentors, and they suggested, zero emission vehicles were an emerging growth sector, and the technology being developed had some novel applications. So I went from there, founded the company, built the team, and we've gone on from there since then.
Amazing. So how do you think that AI and new computer vision has transformed the mobility industry, and what do you think the sort of impact from these things will be in the near to distant future?
Well, we've been really privileged to work with industry colleagues across Innovate UK and APC funded projects. They've been launching very exciting companies using AI and computer vision that are helping OEMs today capture and understand very complex vehicle performance data to reduce the number of tests and enhance the speed and cost of vehicle development at the early stage. We've also worked around autonomous vehicles with autonomous vehicle system companies. So they're developing sensors and decision-making systems to help autonomous vehicles become safer, more efficient, and sustainable. And colleagues in battery management system software. So we've seen them developing and actually deploying on production vehicles sophisticated models and algorithms used to show the true current condition of a vehicle and also predict the aging of the battery with unerring accuracy. So these technologies are being developed and used today in development and also on production vehicles.
Can you tell us a bit about your AI-based range prediction software and how this could impact EV drivers?
Sure. So what Spark do is we develop personalised energy prediction software for zero-emission vehicles. So that's electric, hydrogen, and other forms of hybrids. And why we're doing this is we want to accelerate our e-mobility adoption to make range and charge point anxiety or refueling an issue of the past, not something you have to think about. So we provide the predictions and the data to show the driver either as a range number, validate whether they can make a journey, or as a map overlay. So this gives EV drivers trust and confidence to use their vehicle to their fullest potential. It alleviates range and charge point anxiety. And if you're a commercial fleet, it helps making that transition to electric or hydrogen easier. So it gives you more confidence that you can actually replace internal combustion engine vehicles with zero emission vehicles. The problem of getting this prediction right is really important for commercial vehicles. So if you look at trucks, vans all the way up to trucks, the current charging infrastructure is very poor. And trying to calculate this is quite complex. You've got large variability in payload, you've got refrigerated goods, and you've got multiple drivers using different vehicles. So fleets operate on very tight margins, so you need to ensure you can complete a set number of journeys without stranding the vehicle, the driver, and their cargo.
Nice. And what can we expect to see from Spark EV in the next 12 to 18 months?
So I think our goal as a company is to be the #1 supplier for energy prediction software for zero emission vehicles. Our current projects over the next 18 months include supporting 2 of our OEM customers who are taking 2 of our products into production. We're also working across the mobility supply chain with projects on hydrogen commercial vehicles and projects in mapping and navigation who are looking to integrate our software into their navigation products. We're looking to build customer relationships across the supply chain.
Can you tell us a little bit about what we can expect to hear from you at Move?
Yes, we are going to be announcing a strategic collaboration, which we're very excited about. More news on that will come closer to the event.
Oh, well, I look forward to it, and I look forward to seeing you at the event. Thank you so much for speaking with us today, Justin.
Thank you.